Introducing the ultimate solution for thick, ingrown toenails and nail correction: the toenail clippers. With sharp cutting edges hand-tempered and sharpened to precision, these clippers effortlessly tackle even the toughest toenails. Crafted from premium stainless steel, our clippers are dermatologist-grade, ensuring safe sterilization and minimizing the risk of infections. The ergonomic design and thick rubber handle provide easy control, making them ideal for those with weak hand strength. And with thoughtful protective measures like a safety tip cover and spare spring, our nail clippers are built to last. Transform your pedicure routine with the toenail clippers. Order yours today and step into a world of comfort and precision.